guys. Okay guys, maglalaro tayo. Okay guys, panoorin na yung video ko sa Obi. Okay guys, maglalaro tayo ng Cupcake Stage Tower. Skibidi. Okay guys, we're starting. Skibidi. Tama naman pala ako guys. OMG, kamali ako. I didn't make do that. Oh, that was close. Hirap ng game na to guys. I'm a speedrun. Yay! Good luck. I'll finish this obby. Yes, next! Sabi ko na kunin ko lang yung white ma. What the Sigma? Is he a hacker? Is he a hacker, bro? Kiki. Ah! Kiki. Oh my god guys, Kiki. Guys, nag-hack ba siya o nahuhulog lang siya o nakahack? Guys, nag-hack ba lang siya o hindi? Comment nyo. Is he hacking or not? Ay, no! Skibidi naman. Skibidi. Nakakaskibidi na yan. No! Bruh. Hirap ng game na to guys. Umiinis ako. Stage 26 na tayo guys oh. Okay guys, ang hirap. Hindi kaya ko to guys. Yes. Bacon. It's easy, bro. Why? Hello. Ano ba? Wait, dude. Jump. It's easy, guys. Why is this game so easy? Wow! Di ko nakita. Visit lang ako, guys. Visit.
Nag-exercise ulit. Lechon.
Ang easy nito, guys. Wait! Huh? It doesn't make sense. Huh? Doesn't make sense. Why trick Obi? Why is this a trick Obi? No! This is a trick Obi, dude, guys.
Ulugin mo na yung barbie.
Yes. Yes. Next. Oh, milk. Milk. Umiinom ako ng gatas, guys. What the? I love milk.
Gusto mo yung lemon mo? Na?
Ha?
Baka kayo mama si lemon.
Bakit?
Ano bakit? Gusto mo mag-grounded?
Why?
Grounded ka na. Akin na yan.
Bruh.
Akin na yan.
Why?
Sabi ko lemon kay Mama Chichi.
Fart.
Pagwa lemon. Kaya kanina.
Yung ano ko?
Kakampi kasi dito eh. Sabi yan. Dapat tough yan.
I'll wrestling you at next time. In WrestleMania.
Ito ang gagawin.
Aray ko. Sakit.
Sabi yun. Ito ang gagawin.
Speedrun. Speedrun, guys. Why? No! Kunti na lang. Pag namatay kayo, pwede kayo mag-reset tsaka bumalik kayo. Ay! Yes! What the Sigma? We're almost there, guys. No! Go! Go! Yes! Yes! Chocolate. Chocolatey. Ang bilis natin, guys. Dali ng obi na to. Aray ko. No! Chocolatey, guys. Chocolatey. Oh. What the? Sa stage 1000 sila? Hanggang stage 1000 to? Ano ba yan? Ay. No. Mali ako, guys. Kamali ako. Ano ba yan? Dito palang daanan. I love chocolate, guys. When I was a baby, I was 6. Why? I love chocolate when I was a baby, guys. I love chocolate when I was 6. Ay, easy. Guys, pag skibidi, 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 Obama, guys. Obama. Stage 70. We're almost there. Guys. Oh my god, guys. Ang dami. Pizza. I love pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. What the? What the Sigma, bro? Are you serious right now, dude? Big brain. Pwede pala ganun. Guys, I'm a cheater, do you know? Mga guys. Mga guys, pag nahulog ako, I will skip. I will left the game, guys. Uy, pepperoni. Di joke lang, guys, hindi ito pepperoni. O parang meat siya, yung parang sa burger. Bakit ang dali na game na to? Ang daling naman ng game na to, guys. Easy. OMG. Easy. Big brain. What? Okay, guys. Next. Strawberry jam. Hihi. Guys. What the? What? Ang ganda nito. Oh my god, guys. I'm a cheater, guys. Eraser ba yan? Eraser ba yun, guys? Eh, parang eraser, no? Guys, tumunog-bot ako. Bakit ang bilis ng OB natin, guys? Oh my god, guys. Muntik na yun. What? Bakit ba doon? Hindi. Bakit kanina hindi? What the? Huh? Huh? What the? Di. Troll obi ba to, guys? Troll obi ba to, guys? Troll obi ba to? How are we gonna get there? Ah, what the? Ba't kanina ano? Ba't kanina ano? Huh? What the Sigma? Guys, what a cheater. Or guys, gusto ko parang mag-cheat. What the? Oh, 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 wow. Hala ko. Hihi. Hihi. Aray ko. Saan yung? Ayun. Aray ko. Ba't? Bagong update na ba yung ano, Roblox? Ano guys, parang kumukulog. Okay guys. Wait lang. Aray ko. Aray! What the Sigma? Oh my god guys. Guys, kumukulog. Kanina mulan. Oh my god, Sigma bro. Guys, malapit tayo. Oh, big brain. Alam ko na guys, they can trick me now. Guys, kumukulog. What the Sigma? Yeah. Bra! Guys, malapit tayo. Matcha. I hate matcha. I don't drink matcha. What the Sigma? Blah. I want to give up. But no. Wow! Ang bilis. Duga. This took gonna take 180 yata. Huh? safe tayo dito. Wala na nagyari. So, we're safe. Skibidi Tower Defense. Magiat. Hirap. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Ano ba yan? If you do this, I'm pro. If you do this, I'm pro. Bro, ang hirap. Last one. Yes, finally, I'm pro. Yes. Alright, watermelon. Last time I eat watermelon. Last time I eat watermelon, guys. Yung when sa Pink Bay pa kami doon. What the Sigma? What kind of watermelon is this? Easy. Ready ko. Watermelon. Skibidi watermelon. What? Ang bilis! Alright guys, kapag tapos ko dito, I'm just gonna check my subscribers. Kasi, gabi, 88 lang yun eh. After, what the? Dito ba yun? Dito ba yun? Or not? Isa kung dito agad na tayo? Ang bilis naman. Go. Yeah. Alright guys, let me just check my subscribers. Yes, 89 subs. Let's go guys, 89 subs. Thank you guys for subscribing. And watch all my video guys. 89 subs. Let's go. Let's start playing. See guys, nalip. Okay guys, dito ko muna tatapusin yung video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, click niyo yung bell para kung may bagong video. Bye bye.